Today we're about to work on this Azera, how you want to call it. We're about to do an alternator on it. This is the same motor on those Sonatas, '07 Sonatas, so it's the same process pretty much. So you'll see. I don't see too much videos on this. I see the 3.8, but I don't see the video on this. So pretty sure it's the same thing as a 3.8, but it's for anybody that has a 3.3. Okay, I didn't see a 3.3. This will be the first one, I hope. This is gonna help at least one person that needs help with this. So let's get into it. First things first, make sure you disconnect the negative terminal. We don't need no power anywhere. All right, disconnect that, then we'll get to business. That's 10 mil. Take it off. I already loosened this. This is the 10 mil. Sometimes it's 12, sometimes it's 13, depends. Now let's remove this out the way. We need room here, so let's take these clips off. I could break them off because I have extras of these, so I could just pop them off and break them. Okay, so whatever you want to call this thing, clip puller, whatever. Take that off. If you don't have new ones, do not do this. Just get a let me show you before I take this off. I got a flathead. Just twist it off like this. Like I say, you see how it's popping up a little bit? You see that? It's like that. You see? Popped up. All I gotta do is pull this off. That's it. That's how you take it off. Like I say, I'm not too worried if these get lost because I have new ones. So if you are new doing this, do not lose these clips, okay? Don't lose them like me, because I'm pretty sure you don't have any replacements. And I know you ain't trying to buy it. So follow the rules. Okay, now pop this off. Okay, what we gotta do is just pop it off like that. Just put it to the side. Or put it on the floor or whatever. Okay, now we have to remove this fan out the way. We need as much space as possible. So let's remove this fan. It's 10 mil. Right here. There's a plug here. Let's remove this plug. There's a thing over here. Push this down and just pull on it. There you go. Boom. Now, 10 millimeters. Okay. Alright, now let's move this back like this. This should pick it up. Okay. Alright. Now you see, if you want, you could take off the radiator. If you're scared this might hit this and damage it, I'm good. So I'm not gonna take it off. Let's go over here. Looks like a 13 mil. Okay, it's a 13. Don't be me. Wear your gloves because it's type oily over here, and I'm used to it, so I ain't worried. Now let's take this connector and just back it up. Just put it back. Just put it right here. Now, there's a connector right here for it. Take that off. Squeeze on the connector. Do not pull on the wire, pull on the actual connector itself, because if you pull the wire, it might pop out, then you'll have a bigger problem. Not bigger, but you're gonna have to rewire it. Anyways, let's take this out the way. Damn, O2 sensor wire. Let's put it up here. For the tension, let's jack up the car, take off this wheel so I can show you, because I know I could get it from here, but I want to show you where it's at so you could see what I'm doing. Alright, so let me jack this up and take off this wheel right here. Let's remove this shield. I think it's this bolt right here that have to come off. It's a 12, I think. Is it a 12? No. Huh. Oh, there's a 10 mil here. It's not even a bolt. Embarrassing. There's a 12 under there. Or 10. Let's see. Okay, you see? There's a 10 mil. 10 mil. So you could tell I'm a noob. There you go. Take that out the way. Okay. Oof, this thing got a big oil leak here. Sheesh. Ah, damn. Look at his axle. His axle is fucked. Holy moly. Cali. Holy. Oh. Anyways, this is your tensioner right here. You see that? You see your AC right here? This is your tensioner right here. You see this bolt? Right there. I think, what is that? A 17 something? I think, okay. Get a ratchet in there. Alright, let me see what that is. And this alternator bolt right here. Be on loosen that. Don't remove it. Just loosen it a little bit. It's 14 mil. But I'm gonna do that after I remove the belt. So I got a short 19 with an extension on it. Just gonna put it here. Get my ratchet, 1/2 inch, and do that. You're gonna have to turn it like you're loosening it. Since I showed you where it's at, I'm gonna try and do this from up there because I feel a little better if I go up there and do it because I have more leverage. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this here so you can see me how I do it. Okay, as you see, I'm about to turn it towards the left. Take off the belt slowly because it's hydraulic. Slow. I remove the belt. You can just take it off the alternator only. Okay, so I'm gonna zip tie that. It's back. So. Alright. Now, let's loosen that 14. That's there. 14. Let's loosen that one. Take this out the way. I already know how it routed, so I'm not too worried. So I have an extension on there. Let me loosen that. As you see, just loosened it. Like I say, you don't have to remove it off. Just loosen it. Right, let's go upstairs. Now, you're gonna loosen this 14 right here. Right here. Let's loosen that. Okay, it's off. Let's remove this bolt completely. Take it all the way off. Okay. There you go. Now it's off. Now if you want, you can put a cardboard here, or you could take out the radiator. It's on you. I'm gonna try to take this off. It should already tilted down. You gotta do is slide it off like that. Okay. Now let's take it off. Alright, let's take it off. Take it out. Put it like that. Up. All around. Be careful it's not touching the fin of the radiator. You ain't trying to break that. Take it off. Alright. Okay. Alright. You got it. Same way, we're gonna tuck it in there, spin it like this, and go like this with it. There's the old one. Sheesh. She's mad oil in it. Alright, let me go get the new one. Here's the new one. We about to put it in same way we took it out. You're gonna put it right in. Just, you know, I'm gonna show you. You gotta just put it in there and just turn it a little. Let's do that. Well, like this. All right, I go all the back here. Go in here, down near O2 sensor. Twist it. Let's twist it down, and there you go. That's how you do it. Okay, make sure you put your bolt at the bottom. The bolt that's supposed to be at the bottom, because it took off. Well, loosen a little bit. Just screw it back, and it should be good. Okay. When you put it back, as you see, the little tab right here. This is where the bolt goes. Just slide it in there and put the alternator in. It's the top right here. Okay. It's in. Let's tighten the bolt. Don't tighten it all the way because you have to do the bottom. Let's do it. Tighten the bottom bolt. Okay. That's good. Okay. Make sure you snug it with the wrench or ratchet. Snug it, the bottom too. Okay, so both of those bolts is tightened. Now all we gotta do is put the belt back on. It should be good. Route the belt the same way you've seen it. Let's see. All right, same way we took it. We took off the belt. You gotta put it in the same way. I'm gonna put the diagram on the screen somewhere. That's how it looks. I just went on Google and just grabbed that and put it on here. As you see the diagram. That's how it's supposed to be. Okay, so follow this diagram and put the belt back. Slowly. Okay. Everything look good? Wants to look good? Just let go. Make sure when you put it on, there's no groove that's hanging off the pulleys, because it's gonna rip faster. You might hear a noise. You're like, what's that noise? This is off the belt is right hanging off the corner. Now let's put everything back. Splash shield. Thing look good here. Let's put the connector for the alternator here. Not connector, the positive terminal wire. Put it here. Put your connector. Put everything back. Okay, everything's back. Let me double check these things click in. All right, this is good. Should be a rubber here. Mine's missing. Yeah, this is good. Shoot this out the way. It's definitely leaking because I just wiped that. Anyways, that everything's good here. I might zip tie this here because I don't trust this wire. I'm gonna zip tie it, and let's put the fan back. Got the fan on. Let's connect the connector for it. Everything's back together. Intake breather back on. Don't forget to put the negative terminal back on. After that, put your wheels on, drop the car, start the car. Should be good. All right. If I helped you out, give me a like, subscribe. Later.